Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the valve type and health of the turbo. This matters because a worn compressor or wrong BOV will change airflow and sound. Once done, mount a reliable boost gauge and a small 1/8 bleed valve in the vacuum line so you can vary signal pressure. Make sure to verify vacuum plumbing integrity and remove leaks. Then run the engine at idle, blip the throttle, and listen for baseline flutter or safe bypass whoosh before any adjustments. You now tune the BOV so it opens at the right moment. Lighter spring per load lets the valve vent earlier, while stiffer springs delay opening. Adjust in small 0.5 to 2 size steps. If you want turbo flutter rather than full blow-off, install a one-way check valve or a calibrated restrictor to slow flow back into the compressor housing. This creates pressure oscillation. Once adjusted, perform progressive runs at 5, 10, and 15 psi, watching boost decay and listening for a clear, safe flutter rather than violent surge. You finish by validating changes on the road. Log boost, record throttle lift points, and confirm the flutter occurs where intended without causing stalled spool or erratic boost. If you hear harsh compressor surge or see boost spikes, immediately increase spring per load or remove the restrictor. Safety first. Once acceptable, finalize hose routing, secure clamps, and recheck turbo shaft play. Remember, the goal is controlled flutter and longevity, so prioritize incremental adjustments and repeat testing rather than dramatic single change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.